Aloha Kako, my name is Julien Lozy and I'm a scientist at the Subaru telescope. Last time I showed you how to make an origami star like this one, but today we're gonna do a modular star using several sheets of paper. So for today's origami, we're gonna use some origami paper like this one, but any kind of square paper would work. But you're gonna need several sheets. So if you want to start with 8 points, you're gonna need 8 sheets, but if you want 16 points, you're gonna need 16 sheets of origami paper. So I'm going to show you how to fold 1 point using this paper. So we start with the white on top and we're going to fold in half along the diagonal like this. Then you open the paper and you fold again into here this angle like this. So we bring the edge to the diagonal here. Now we're going to rotate the paper and do the same thing here. Like this. Okay, now we're going to fold this side. Again, we bring this edge to the diagonal like this. Okay, now you flip the paper over and now we're going to bring this point all the way up as much as we can, and so it's gonna fold like this, and here it's gonna form a point here. Okay, so you can see the other side, it's like this, and so we're gonna bring this little point up like this, and then we flip the paper over again and we open this flap here, and now we're done. But we have to do the same thing 7 more times or 15 more times depending on what star you want. Okay, so now we have our 16 papers folded. So I'm gonna show you first how to assemble those papers to make the star with 8 points. So for that, we're just gonna use 8 papers. So we're gonna take 2 of them. And so we're gonna put one paper inside the other paper, like this. So the edge here aligns with the crease of the other paper. Once you have that, then you can close again this flap here. Okay, and now we continue by doing the same thing, always aligning this edge with the crease behind, and then you close. Okay, so now closing the star is the trickiest part. So you do the same thing, you insert the first one in the last one, and you kind of have to squiggle a bit. And then you close. And here we go. We have a star with 8 points. Now, if you folded 16 sheets of paper, you assemble in a very similar way. So again, we put this one inside the first one, but instead of aligning this edge with the crease, we're going to push all the way in like this, and then close this paper. And you can close here, there's a little pocket, so you close it inside the pocket. And then you keep going. Okay, now closing this is a little hard, but you're gonna again insert the first one inside the last one like this, and finally close everything. And here we go. We have a beautiful star with 16 points. I hope you had fun making this star. Mahalo for watching. Ahui ho!